Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Culture. Today, we dive deep into one of South Korea's most advanced and strategic naval weapons, the Sea Star, also known as the SSM-700K Haeseong. This anti-ship cruise missile represents the cutting edge of modern maritime warfare technology developed to defend South Korea's coastlines against enemy naval threats. So sit back and get ready for a fully detailed and explained script about how this missile system works, what makes it special, and how it fits into South Korea's defense doctrine. The Sea Star, or SSM-700K, was developed by South Korea's Agency for Defense Development in cooperation with LIG Nex1. It officially entered service with the Republic of Korea Navy in the mid-2000s as part of a broader effort to modernize the country's naval forces. The missile's name Haeseong, which means Sea Star in Korean, symbolizes its ability to strike enemy ships with precision across vast oceanic distances. Designed as an all-weather day and night-capable weapon, the Sea Star gives South Korea the ability to project power far beyond its shoreline and deter potential naval aggression from regional adversaries like North Korea or even further beyond. Now let's talk about the technical specifications. The SSM-700K is a subsonic missile with a cruising speed of around Mach 0.9, which translates to roughly 1100 km per hour. It has an effective operational range of about 150 kilometers, though newer variants are rumored to extend that to even greater distances. The missile is powered by a turbojet engine and is equipped with a solid rocket booster for initial launch. Once fired, it uses inertial navigation during the mid-course phase and then switches to active radar homing in the terminal phase to accurately lock onto its target. This dual guidance system makes it highly resistant to jamming and electronic warfare while ensuring pinpoint strikes even in complex and cluttered maritime environments. The design of the Sea Star missile reflects stealthy features to minimize radar cross-section. Its body is sleek and aerodynamic, allowing it to fly just a few meters above the sea surface in sea skimming mode. This low-altitude flight path helps it evade radar detection until the last moments before impact, giving enemy ships very little time to react. The missile carries a high-explosive warhead typically weighing around 250 kilograms, capable of destroying or disabling medium to large-sized warships with a single direct hit. It is especially effective against enemy frigates, destroyers, and even amphibious landing ships. Now, in terms of deployment, the Sea Star is extremely versatile. It can be launched from a variety of platforms, including surface ships like destroyers and frigates, coastal defense batteries, and even submarines in its vertically launched Haeseong 3 variant. Onboard naval vessels, the missile is typically housed in inclined launchers or vertical launch systems depending on the ship class. This flexibility allows the Republic of Korea Navy to deploy the missile across a broad spectrum of mission profiles, whether it be in open sea confrontation, amphibious assault defense, or deterrence patrols near disputed maritime borders. One of the key strategic advantages of the Sea Star system is its indigenous origin. South Korea developed this missile entirely within its own defense industry, reducing reliance on foreign technology and giving it greater control over upgrades, production, and deployment. It also means that in times of crisis or embargo, South Korea can maintain and produce this missile without waiting for international approval or spare parts. Over the years, several improvements have been made to the original SSM-700K design, including longer-range versions, improved radar seekers, better resistance to electronic jamming, and smarter flight programming that allows complex evasive maneuvers during the final attack phase. When you compare the Haeseong to other anti-ship cruise missiles in the world like the US Harpoon or the French Exocet, you will notice that it matches them in most areas and even surpasses them in terms of modern digital guidance, low radar visibility, and adaptability. It's also far more affordable for South Korea's defense budget, giving the country a cost-effective yet deadly deterrent capability. There's also a psychological and symbolic value to the Sea Star. In a region where maritime disputes are common and tensions can rise quickly, the ability to strike enemy ships with accuracy and confidence sends a strong signal to any would-be aggressors. It also enhances South Korea's ability to participate in allied naval exercises, international peacekeeping, and anti-piracy missions, as the Sea Star-equipped warships can operate far from home while still retaining lethal combat power. In conclusion, the SSM-700K Haeseong, or Sea Star, is not just a missile, it's a symbol of South Korea's technological self-reliance, strategic foresight, and commitment to national defense. It's a weapon that serves both practical military roles and broader geopolitical signaling. Whether stationed on a modern destroyer patrolling the seas or hidden in a coastal defense site ready to fire at a moment's notice, the Sea Star plays a crucial role in keeping South Korean waters safe and in maintaining regional peace through strength. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another deep dive into the world of advanced military technology here on Auto Culture.